Look at Jupiter. Jeez. All right, I bet we can zoom in and see the striations. All right, so let's use the Sparlow to zoom in real quick. Adjust our focus here real quick. All right. And we're going to dip this brightness down. You can see the Galilean moons on both sides, but we're going to want to zoom way in. See if we can dim that enough to see Jupiter. Hey, Jupiter! All right. Oh, man. That is so pretty. Jupiter. All right, that just looks so cool. Four large Galilean moons, two on the right, real close to each other. That's Io, Callisto, Europa, and Ganymede. All right, guys. We'll see you there.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.